to Angela, congratulations to you. I am so happy for you. Congrats. More than wish and congratulations. Not easy. Now, know how many operations where this woman don't do. I am so happy for her. Congratulations to you, my sister. A big congratulations. You know, a journey of 9 months is not easy. 9 months pregnancy is not easy. You understand, my people? It's not easy. I am so happy for her. I am so happy. Like, God, you do this one, oh, eh. They say now 8 times now she don't do operation. 8 times, you know, easy. Now you still do a get a born pikin now. Congratulations to you. Eh? I am so happy for you. I am so happy. It's not easy. It's not easy to carry pregnancy for 9 months. So it's not easy. My people wanna tap for her blessings. I am so happy for her. Congratulations to you, my sister. A big congratulations. A big one. A big congratulations. You deserve it, my sister. I'm so happy for you. I am so happy. Like, seriously. It's not easy to carry belly for how many? For 9 months. And the operation where you don't do not be small one. I am so happy for you, my sister. I am so happy for you. Ma put the video make on. Say I'm going to share this video. Let the video go viral. Bye, everybody. Bye.
From the nose, not from the mouth. That's your breathing. It's okay. It's okay. From the nose, not from the mouth. That's your breathing. It's okay.
How are you feeling? Fine.
Don't worry, I got you. Everything is good now, okay? Everything is really fine. Don't be scared.
Igwe kpọmọ isa o, onye zendo sanya na wa o meme. Isabia ni yorebobe, ni ya mo yoge bame. Onye zendo sanya na gba o go me.